How to deactivate and delete a plugin in WordPress. Removing old and unused plugins is considered a good practice that protects your WordPress website from vulnerabilities. To do so, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Go to Plugins and click Installed Plugins. On my website, I can view all active and inactive plugins. To deactivate a plugin, just click the Deactivate option below its name. The plugin has been deactivated, but it is still available, and I can reactivate it by clicking this Activate button whenever I want. If you don't want to keep this plugin and want to delete it forever, click the Delete option. It shows a success message. If you want to deactivate or delete plugins in bulk, select them all and then use Bulk Actions. Just select the bulk action you want to apply and then click the Apply button. It shows a confirmation message. Click OK to confirm. All the plugins have been deleted. Now you know how to deactivate and delete a plugin in WordPress. Thank you for watching.